Take your streaming game to a whole new level with the Logitech C922x Pro Stream Webcam. Designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike, this powerhouse delivers crystal-clear Full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second and smooth 720p at 60 frames per second. Your audience will never miss a beat with razor-sharp clarity and vibrant visuals, making every stream or video call an engaging experience. With premium autofocus and low-light correction, your stream looks professional, no matter the setup. Why settle for mediocre when you can dazzle your viewers with advanced background replacement technology? No green screen? No problem. Powered by Personify, this feature integrates you seamlessly into your game or content, making blank walls a thing of the past. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, creating YouTube content, or hosting a virtual meeting, this webcam ensures you're always the star of the show. Audio clarity is just as important as video, and the C922x has you covered. Dual omnidirectional microphones capture stereo sound with advanced noise reduction, ensuring your voice comes through loud and clear. Say goodbye to muffled audio and hello to immersive sound quality that keeps your audience hooked. Whether you're narrating a thrilling game or delivering an online lecture, every word is pitch perfect. Save time and money with the included 6-month XSplit premium license. This all-in-one streaming suite offers tools to fine-tune your stream like a pro. Customize overlays, adjust sound levels, and even add music or graphics effortlessly. This license, bundled with the C922x, makes it a cost-effective solution for budding streamers and seasoned creators alike. Durability meets versatility with the C922x's sleek design. Its adjustable clip and threaded base provide secure mounting on monitors, laptops, or tripods. Built to last and compatible with multiple platforms, Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, and Android, this webcam is the ultimate streaming companion. Affordable, tech-tested, and unmatched in quality, the Logitech C922x Pro Stream Webcam is your golden ticket to captivating online content.
Elevate your streaming and video conferencing experience with the Logitech C922x Pro Stream Webcam. Capture stunning 1080p HD video with a full glass lens and premium autofocus. 2 built-in stereo microphones ensure clear audio capture from multiple directions, making your streams and calls truly immersive. Seamlessly integrate this webcam with popular platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and video conferencing software. Its plug-and-play USB connectivity makes setup a breeze. The C922x Pro Stream Webcam boasts a durable, high-quality construction with a sleek black design. Its adjustable mounting clip allows for versatile placement on monitors, tripods, or any suitable surface. Experience professional-grade video and audio quality with the Logitech C922x Pro Stream Webcam, compatible with Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, and Android devices.